I want to take you back a little bit. When Cardinal Health was in a rapid acquisition period, we were purchasing manufacturing sites, we had a very large patient recovery acquisition, and we were growing at a rate that was not scalable with the current planning platforms that we had. We had multiple disparate planning systems. We had over 5 across the landscape. And our challenge was not just the technology. We had not integrated people, we had not integrated processes, and we had not organized ourselves to make a meaningful impact to our service level and our backorder commitments to our customers. So, what we did is we found an APS and we selected Kinaxis. We needed a system to be able to pull forecast accuracy into, to be able to manage inventory in one tool across the entire segment and have confidence that it's accurate. We needed to transform, and Kinaxis was the guiding light as we were pulling ourselves together through that period. Today, we've done that. Our inventory has reduced dramatically with service level up and back order down. The right product is getting to the right place at the right time, which is critically important for our customers. We moved from implementation to advantage, from fragmented to scalable transformation, and from reacting into a mode where we were in control. And now we lead with speed and control.